Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Halloween pumpkins, step by step and super easy. Grab your pencil and let's bring these spooky pumpkins to life. Why we use pumpkins for Halloween? The tradition began with turnip lanterns in Europe, but pumpkins took over in the US because they're bigger and easier to carve. The famous jack-o'-lanterns were originally made to scare away evil spirits. Now they're just fun and full of creativity. Tell me in the comments, do you like cute, scary, or classic pumpkins best? If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves creepy cute art. Let's spread the Halloween fun and inspire more fans to draw. I'd love to see your pumpkin drawing. Pause the video, take a picture of your art, and share it with hashtag Davi Toons Club on social media. In some places, there are even giant pumpkin carving contests, turning pumpkins into real pieces of art. Pumpkins aren't just for decoration, they're also delicious in pies, soups, and drinks during the autumn season. Remember, pause the video whenever you need and take a screenshot to follow each drawing step easily. And here they are, our Halloween pumpkins, cute and ready to shine in the night. Thanks for drawing with me, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Halloween specials. See you next time.